What's up, guys? Back at the shop, working on the Civic. Had unfortunate things happen to it when I guess we didn't notice, but the seats, they were basically warped in the head, so we had to take the head off again and then machine the seats. Brand new valves, some in here, right here. Both sides are machined to fit perfectly. We might lap them, we might not lap them, but right now we're gonna quickly throw the head together and then install it. Because yeah, last time we checked compression and it was literally like 25 psi all over. It was terrible. Oh, and I did the timing wrong, so. The head is on, torqued to proper spec. Shout out Google. It's freezing, it's like 54 degrees, but heads together, timing's together, and right now we're gonna quickly test it, make sure it's good. Alright, all back together, everything's connected, have a nice ground, and then it's gonna be a first startup. Let's crank it. Work the fuel pump a couple times.
Ready?
Yeah. Try again, yeah. Alright guys, so we put a K Pro or what's it called?
S300.
S300 in it with a low eBay adapter, and car actually runs really good right now. Little spinny boy.
You saw it?
Yeah. Well, I can't see it on camera. You can't.